And we're back. Another adventure day. Today we are going back to Xcaret, which I did a video on it last time. So I'm gonna try and not repeat the things that I did last time on video. Although there's some that are gonna be repeated and others not, but that's okay. Because this park is enormous. So I wanna be able to film other stuff that we didn't do. So, handy dandy camera, water, GoPro in hand, and we will get the day started. Much better day today. Oh, Rosie, you can come over here. Come on, Rosie. Rosie doesn't want to be on film, but we're gonna put her on film. Today, it's not too early, it's 9 o'clock. Today is a much better day than it was yesterday. Yesterday we woke up with a torrential rain, and today, not so much. A little bit of cloud coverage, but we will see. So the idea was parasailing, but there's a huge cloud behind us and the water's gotten more choppy. So some of us were able to get on it, not all of us. So we might need to change the experience or see if maybe they later on let us get on. But the water, as you can see, is pretty high. It's very choppy, so I don't think we'll be able to get on. Mira los monos.
No, monos, mira.
¿Cómo lo pintan?
Dejen primero les voy a dar los material y ahorita empezamos.
I have my Disneyland ones that are plastic.
Vamos a convertirnos en un arquitecto ahorita, ¿ok?
Más bien como un artista, ¿no?
Ok.
Es muy relajante la técnica, ahorita van a ver lo que se puede hacer.
So the little bead thing we were doing is called huichol, and it's like a certain kind of wax that sticks, and you get little beads, and you start making these designs. The gentleman that was in charge of that has done multiple enormous murals and designs when it comes to that. So he says it takes about like an hour to 2 hours worth of doing, and so we were there for about an hour, and then everybody had to leave, but he gave us beads for us to take out and finish them. So if you have a chance, again, I said it before in other videos, if you have a chance to come to Xcaret, there's so much you can do. I have to say, I'm bummed. Bummed because we could not go parasailing. Right when we were about to go and be taken out, they kicked us out and said no. But it's okay. We got to do other things. And yeah, we got a couple more days that we're going to be able to do water activities, so we'll be able to also do them in Cozumel or Cozumel on Friday that we're going. That's okay, no worries. But I will say, and I think I said this before, you need to have more than 1 day at this park because it is enormous. Enormous. So much to do. I would say, and I might be shooting too far here, 2 days. 2 days to do this, to this park. It's just, there's so much you can do. You can, chocolate factory, you have things you can do with coconuts. You can snorkel with the fish like the kids are doing right now. Just so many things you can do at this park. Shows, excursions out there. It's just a plethora of things you can do. That's okay, because I feel like the next time I'm going to come out here, I'm just going to come and have a two-day experience and just do as much as I can each day, and then get the most out of what I can and do it like that. But for now, time to go snorkeling and then hit another river.